Yeah, mahogany cupboards. These cupboards have needed a makeover since the very beginning, so I decided just to do it. One really difficult, stubborn one here. All the doors are off. Like most jobs, it was a lot of steps. So removing all the drawers, all the hardware, taking off all the doors, sanding down absolutely everything. I have to say I'm pretty sick of sanding at this point. And yet it's so satisfying. Even after hours and hours spent sanding, it's one of those jobs that is just so gratifying to see the wood coming out and all of that varnish, all of the years of wear coming off, and watching it kind of get reborn into its natural beauty. I don't know if you can tell, but the drywall around the windows is all done here, so I did skip ahead a few steps.
So that's her little thing.
She's my homegirl. You like painting? There goes the primer. Yeah, white's nice, but there's so many white kitchen cupboards in the world. I just thought, I don't think I'm gonna do that. So I primed them the white. It looks really nice. It gave them a nice freshness right off the bat. The wood is a veneer, I just want to say that. So the mahogany on top of the wood is a veneer, which is kind of less special than if it were hardwood. So painting it didn't really feel bad. Sometimes I don't necessarily love to paint raw wood if it's a nice hardwood. Woo! Woo! She bright. One thing I love about painting is that you can truly multitask while you do it. Meaning you can keep up a conversation, you can listen to music, you can listen to a podcast and actually focus. I listen to audiobooks a lot of the time, and painting is one of those things you can do well and then also listen really well at the same time. So it's just one of the many reasons that I like painting. It's also just so satisfying in situations like this. Please note the drywall around the windows is done. I did all the insulation and vapor barrier and drywall around both windows. And I just think it looks so good. The space is starting to come together. Moving inside, working downstairs, feels like it's going faster all of a sudden than it has been for many months. So that's a really nice feeling.
Just plant our hands till last day. So tell your mama.
Cupboard color. What do you think? I kind of love it. I have a vision and it will come together eventually. Just trust me. So I learned that putting hardware on cupboards is more difficult than taking it off. I made a lot of holes in the wrong places. The good thing about that is that it is pretty forgiving. It's really easy to fill a hole. I filled all the original holes in these cupboards with wood filler before I sanded them and painted them. So I just had to do that a few more times when I made a few mistakes. You can tell here that I screwed up this one door and it took me a really long time to get it right. I had some help, which was really appreciated and great, because I really needed that help. Kitchen cupboards. Looking good.